Law enforcement agencies from across the country are in Perry this week. They're using technology to learn how to respond to crisis situations. 41 NBC's Peyton Lewis was at the training today to see how our local law enforcement and first responders handle emergencies. And we do want to warn you, the video in this story that you're about to see may be intense for some viewers.
Tactical training for local law enforcement agencies started off with a bang at the Guardian Center in Perry. Police, fire, EMT, and federal teams from across the country are getting hands-on tactical training called UTAC, where they learn how new technology can aid crisis situations. FLYMOTION is the company that does the training, and their CEO, Ryan English, believes advanced technology is the way of the future when it comes to emergency response.
The opportunity for those that are responding to these calls on a daily basis to be able to show them the value of advanced technologies and how they can utilize it rather than traditional methods.
Thursday marked day 4 of the UTAC conference, and it began with an active shooter hostage scenario. Hey! A few hours later, first responders geared up for another mock scenario of a terrorist attack on a subway. Local law enforcement had the chance to fly drones and control robots to help with hostage negotiations, the delivery of medical care, and getting a bird's eye view of each situation. George Matejko is a fireman with Houston County and says he was amazed by the hands-on demonstrations.
We jump at a chance to learn things like this, hoping that it never happens, but at least we'll be educated so we can help us out.
Matejko has been a firefighter for 15 years and says no training could ever fully prepare firefighters for real-life situations. But the training at the Guardian Center came pretty close.
Yeah, we could never train for this type of scenario. If it happens, then we have to deal with it, and we adapt and overcome it. We take care of it.
In Perry, Peyton Lewis, 41 NBC News.
Houston County firefighters say they're interested in learning more about using drones as they respond to calls. Training continues tomorrow with a mock flood rescue.